Hey everybody, thanks for watching the videos. Be sure to subscribe, click the watermark up there or the subscribe button down there, and have fun. Let's go check out the truck we just got. It's a Dodge Ram 4x4 W100. It's got a 318. So we just traded our 14-foot low aluminum boat in for this really cool Dodge Ram. It's in 1988, which means that they made it the year that I graduated from college, which is really depressing. But this little doohickey right here alone is worth $250. So I think we got a pretty good deal. The boat was, it was a 14-foot low aluminum older boat, and it had a 20 horsepower motor on it. We traded that in for this baby. So I think we got a good deal. It's got a little clear coat problem. I am wondering if we could just sand that off and redo it. Maybe you guys have some suggestions. It has a dual exhaust system that was just put in. I'm going to get up under there in a minute and take a look at it, show you. But I think it's going to be a good work truck. I think we got a pretty good deal. What do you think? Oh, and it's got these really cool little lights for tailgating or whatever. Pretty nice, sturdy wheels. I think it's nice. No hubcaps. What else? It's got these little side window thingies. You remember these? Vents? You can open it, but I just don't want to break my nails. It's very clean, and you can put it right into four-wheel drive. You don't have to get out and change the hubs or whatever you used to have to do. This was newfangled back then.
Yep.
It's even got a clean truck box. Very cool. For all our tools.